Hey everybody, Gregory here, and I am beyond excited today because we have Miss L, hey L, from Dupe That. So, Joico Hair Shake.
Yes.
Joico Hair Shake, totally taking the beauty world by storm. Right there. So it's kind of that woolly texture. So it's a liquid that turns to powder. So think of the options in this, right? So think of braids, think of top knots, think of up styles that take 2 seconds, think of beach waves that look lived in. This is that liquid to powder formulation.
Okay.
You give it a little shake.
So that's how I'm gonna get my Shakira.
That, yes, that's when you can get it, roll with it. That is